The Lagos State government's efforts to increase accessibility to education received support from Unicef with a donation of school bags to over 200 out-of-school children in a riverine community in the state.
We are today supporting the effort of Lagos State government through Lasubeb to ensure that children are in school and that children who may have left school or those that have never been in school before, who are out of school, come back to school and then also come back with school supplies. Education is so critical that it's the SDG 4 talks about quality education, and we're here today as UNICEF following the goal 17, which talks about partnership. We're partnering with government, Lagos State government, which has been doing a lot in ensuring that out-of-school children is reduced and ensuring that there is quality education and every child in Lagos have access to quality education.
This is complementing Project Zero, an initiative launched by the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board to mobilize and accelerate support to tackle the menace of out-of-school children.
As we can see here today, UNICEF is here to support us, and this is in line with also our resolve to ensure that we mobilize and we galvanize, out-of-school children and not in school children to come back to school, in line with our, commitment to ensure that, they are returned back to school with all the necessary, items such as school bags, uniform, and all that. And that is exactly what we are doing with Project Zero. Mobilizing, galvanizing, pupils to come back to school in line with all the available resources.
The program is also with a goal to enroll and re-enroll children of school-going age who are out of school due to several challenges.
After supporting children that are at the verge of dropping out of school as a result of the socio-economic impact of COVID-19, we thought it was necessary for us to extend this to children that are completely out of school and not in school. I'd like to say that as of today, we have supported over 7,800 children back to school, and we are planning to support additional 5,000, so that before the end of this year, we will have supported over 12,000 children back to school in Lagos State.
Our future is important to me. I pick one house by house. Pé kí n kó wọn wá sí school because àwọn ọmọ yìí àmọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n máa dà ní ọjọ́ ọ̀la. Ìdí nìyí tí èmi fi ń lo gbogbo agbára mi pé káwọn ọmọ yẹn kàn tiẹ̀ lè fi ka nǹkan kan.
As equitable access to quality education remains the right of every child, the children believe such initiative will have positive impact on their education.
Thank you, UNICEF, for giving us the bag. God will bless you.
Project Zero re-emphasizes the Lagos State's 2007 Child's Right Law, which provides for the right to free and compulsory primary education.
You are special, you got you will see someone very special because it's you.
Good job, you.
Good job, you.
In another development, the permanent board member in charge of basic education quality assurance, Lasubeb, Hon Owolabi Falana, went on a familiarization tour of Eti-Osa Local Government Education Authority. He met and interacted with basic education quality assurance officers.
The purpose of my tour is to be able to first assess the situation in our schools, in our LGAs, complement the massive spending, massive investment of Mr. Governor, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu on education, and to also go in line with the objective of Lasubeb. We at Lasubeb, we believe that we should not leave any child behind. And specifically, to also give a moral support and encouragement to the basic education quality assurance officers across Lagos State to be able to see to the mentoring and monitoring of our public schools in an efficient and effective manner, And so far we have gotten very good responses across all the LGAs. All the relevant departments are working together in unison, and they are working to guarantee qualitative education in our basic schools.
Today's visit by Honorable Falana is one of his kind. I'm very happy to have him at the Eti-Osa Lgea today. That way, his visit will contribute to the growth of the basic education in the Eti-Osa local government and to our peoples.
My good honorable is successful tenure. We pray he will be able to do more than what others have achieved by the special grace of God. More success.
Apart from Eti-Osa Local Government Education Authority, Honorable Falana has also visited all other local government education authorities, assuring the quality assurance officers that Lasubeb will continue to motivate and equip them for better service delivery.